Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking steamed tofu with minced meat in black bean sauce. So let's start cooking. We'll now marinate our minced meat over here. I'm having 150 grams of pork minced meat. I'm adding in 1 tablespoon of black bean paste, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of Chinese rice wine, about 2 or 3 grams of young ginger julienne, 1 tablespoon of corn flour cornstarch, 1/3 of a cup of water, as well as 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. We'll mix this up well. This will be used as the topping for the tofu. Once you have mixed them up well, just put them aside and we will cut up the tofu. Now I'll show you how I take the tofu out from the box. What I have over here is the soft silken tofu. So normally what I like to do is I like to cut off the edge over here so the air can go through. So it's easier to remove the tofu. And we just tear this open. Be very gentle, try not to break your tofu. Okay, and then you just need to flip it over and the tofu should be able to come out pretty easy like this. I'll be placing the tofu directly on the plate that I'll be using. So very carefully push the tofu up, drain it out a little bit and put it on the plate that you'll be using. I will cut this into 6 pieces. Somewhere in the middle, we'll just push the cookie cutter down like this. Then slowly slide it till the end so that it will open up like this. So we divide this into 3 parts. Of course, you can keep it as a whole also. It's very much your preference. Now I'm just going to put the minced meat on top of the tofu. Just a little bit on the tofu will be fine. And the rest I'll be putting it around the tofu. I'll just finish this up and I'll show you how it looks like in a while. This is how we like to pack our dish. It doesn't look much at this moment, but this I can really assure you that tastes absolutely delicious. So now we'll go and steam this. Heat up a wok of water. Make sure it's boiling. Put your steaming rack in. Be very careful. Cover it up so that the water droplets will not fall onto the meat. And we'll steam this for approximately 10 minutes. I'll see you back in a while. 10 minutes is up. Let's have a look. This should be done already. Yes. We'll sprinkle some spring onion on top and we'll serve this. Let's serve this now. And now the dish is done, let's have a taste. This will be totally, absolutely delicious with steamed rice or porridge. We have the sauce and the minced meat. Right, I'll just give this a taste right now. Very flavorful, wonderful with porridge. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like our recipe. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.